Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer, presenting you this coming week's weekly forecast, weekly horoscope for each and every sign. When you talk about Leo, this coming week will offer you major obstacles, challenges, complications. But having said that, your financial rewards will be there. Financially, professionally, you will be handsomely rewarded. There are a lot of professional opportunity, financial opportunity for you. As longer you are carrying on your path and very focused, determined, dedicated, devoted, in a hard-working mode, your prosperity will be there. You'll be able to accomplish your professional goal, financial goal. No doubt there will be a lot of running around. People will wind you up completely. People will test your fiber. People will test your patience. But new contact, new friends will support you. You'll be able to materialize your plan. You'll be able to materialize what your vision is. A lot of your past efforts will be handsomely rewarded. New contact, new friend will offer you dignified success, prosperity, achievements. This coming week, important project will be on the track, but you need a proper professional advice. No doubt about it. Professional people will offer you their services and listen to them, then make a decision. Leo, this coming week is a week. Legally, you have to be on correct path, but at the same time, you have to be on the track. Try not to be grumpy. Communicate with everybody. You have to be very careful regarding your word or speech, especially when you're dealing with decision makers. Health-wise, look after your neck, look after your throat infection, look after your digestive system. Any problem with blood circulation or blood pressure or lower abdomen, seek for a proper advice. Task of the week for Leo. Take a copper coin, make a hole in the center, put a silver chain through it. Try to wear around your neck as a pendant. Try to be presentable. Put an effort on your presentation. Another task, try to donate mixed color blanket, bananas, money to a local priest. Precaution of the week for Leo. Refrain from out of control behavior. Refrain from grumpiness. Chanting of the week for Leo. Om Harim Ghrene Suryaye Adityaye Sharim Om. Om Harim Ghrene Suryaye Adityaye Sharim Om. Do this chanting. 7 days, 7 hours, 7 days, 14 hours. 7 days, 35 hours, 7 days, 84 hours. More you do it, more you'll achieve it. Thanks for watching my weekly horoscopes. If you're new to my channel, then please do become a subscriber for more contents, including monthly, yearly horoscopes. If you would like to know more about your yearly horoscopes, like romance, love, career, profession, financial backing, health, as well as educational career, then please visit my website. The link is in the video description below. A flood of information just waiting for you. I'll be back with a lot more videos, with a lot more forecast. Look after yourself and take care.